The new Amazfit GTS 3. Good day, you beautiful people. Welcome to LAZADA's Tech, where we do tech in your life in style. Yes, folks, it's time for another wearable video. And you guys know that I personally scope out good-looking watches because these things have function, but I also want fashion. So does the Amazfit GTS 3 reach those expectations of fashion and function? In this video, we'll go through the whole unboxing experience. We'll see just what features this watch has, and we're even gonna do an exercise test. Let's start. The new Amazfit GTS 3. This is one of the new Amazfit watches powered by Zepp OS. Advanced biosensor, all-around health tracking, 150 sports mode, and it's slim and lightweight. Okay, so I got the Terra Rosa color, and I'm hoping that's the cute one. Let's open this up. Nice! That looks like a gold brown top. Terracotta color. I like it. Ooh. Alright, let's check out what else is in the box first. We have a charging port, and then we have a tiny little manual. Up your game. This is a good looking watch, and it's actually quite light. The straps look good, but they're actually silicone. Amazfit branding on the bottom there. Oh, I like that. So basically it gives you that more polished, non-sporty look, but it's still silicone, so that means that you can wear this strap a lot without it getting dirty. It also looks like the straps are replaceable. Yes, that is a point. Hardware on this almost looks like it's rose gold. I like how this looks. You have this rotating button on the side. At the back, your sensors. Yeah, I am surprised at how light this is. Let me turn this on, but first, a quick montage. I love how this watch looks. That color is very classy and it looks so good with jewelry. It's something that you can wear for exercise, but it'll also look good on your wrist on a night out. Now, some may say that this looks like the Apple Watch, and looks-wise, because of the shape, the similarities are uncanny, but it does feel different on your wrist. It also means it's very comfortable to wear even at night as you sleep. That is an AMOLED screen on the GTS 3, and can I just say that I love the many different watch faces? I'm not even kidding, I love them all. That rectangular screen gives you a lot of space to navigate, and the screen is pretty responsive. Right now, it's connected to the Samsung Z Flip, but you can connect it to iPhone as well via the Zepp app. Also, what's really cool about this is there's an offline voice assistant. Imagine being out and about, but not being connected. You're doing stuff, you have your hands full. So if you want to do something with your watch, again, even without the internet, you can just tell it. Open timer. It's a pretty cool and very useful option, honestly. Right, let's take a quick watch tour. So swipe down, you have this quick menu which gives you stuff like... Yeah, that was a Find My Phone function. You also have automatic brightness, and this thing can be... Well, you can't really see because my camera adjusts, but it can go this bright. We were at like half the brightness earlier. You have your calendar, you have an option to keep your screen lit, you have a theater mode, there's also a night mode, and of course a battery mode. Swiping to the right does give you a back option, and to go back to the screen, you swipe up and you get your phone notifications. Swipe to the right, it gives you different widgets, and swipe to the left gives you the same widgets. Pressing the dial gets you your workout and tracking stuff. So you have your PAI score, heart rate, blood oxygen. I love the one tap measuring option because, well, with one tap, you can just measure all the stats. This is quite literally the cheat button to measuring all your stats in one go. Then there's workout, and there are like a lot of different workouts. You can even tap more workouts and you have them classified. And then you have your workout history, status, stress measurement. You have your activity measurements, which tells me I haven't been moving a lot. You have your sleep tracker, and ooh, look at all those details. You also have weather, music, you have your alarms, your calendars, water time calculator. These are apps that I downloaded from their app store, like their brush teeth app, which will times you brushing your teeth. Pretty cool. It also tells you sort of where to brush so you can brush properly. The thing that you never thought you needed, but you did. You have more here, and you have so many other things. And one thing I'm grateful for, menstrual tracking. There's also a breathing app here, which is great for meditation. You also have world clock. You have a to-do list, a Pomodoro timer, and this is another app I downloaded from their app store. Now, under settings, you have the option to change watch faces, of course, but there are more on the app, as you'll see later. Vibration settings, workout settings, so you have an option to switch around your workout detection settings. You also have GPS settings. You have a power saving GPS mode, which is nice. Now on the app itself, and as you can see, I have it connected to my Samsung Galaxy Z Flip. Let me show you like what that app looks like. So first off, it gives you your PAI rating, which is a score for your everyday movement and activity. So it helps you sort of quantify like your health. I know that's the most simplistic way of explaining that, but you get the idea. So it uses your athletic ability and physical data. And the whole point of it is to keep it up a certain number to improve your cardiorespiratory fitness and the health of your heart. I'm ready. So yeah, it gives you all details and how you get your PAI score here. Right now, I am very bad, as you can see. You also have your sleep data, very detailed sleep data, which includes like a beta version of sleep breathing quality. You can even record your pre-sleep state. So watching phones, playing games, tidying the room, bath, had drinks. Oh my gosh, I feel attacked. But yeah, even your wake up mood you can record, and this is one of the most detailed like trackers I've seen. It also shows you where you are compared to other users. You're of course also given a sleep score, and you can look at your sleep with these charts via weeks, months, or even years. Back to the main menu, you also have your heart data. So this is my heart rate for the week, month, year. And down here, I am told that my resting heart rate is 55. I have my different heart rate zones, and I have results for every time I measure my heart rate manually. You also have your stress levels. Ooh, I'm a little stressed today. You also have your blood oxygen level here. Now again, all of these are not to be done in lieu of actual medical professional help, but it helps because you can track your own stuff, and when something happens, you see something different around here, it sort of tells you to get checked or to get professional help. I also have weight and BMI details, although this you input, and then my workout history, which is again not a lot. And then your tools for your phone, you can edit it and sort of switch it around. I have my steps. I have my calories burned. Oh my gosh, that's so bad. You also have your exercise status, and then you have your breathing quality, which is on beta, but still really interesting to look at. And all of that, that's just on the homepage. We still have the health tab. So I walked 7 days ago. Wow, that's sad. So you can set your target activity here. And you can also edit cards. Under profile, you get your Amazfit profile. And of course, I have the Amazfit GTS 2 connected. And you can access the app store here. So I told you I downloaded the brush teeth app. And then you have notifications and reminders. So this allows you to edit all the alerts you get on your watch from the phone. So I have them all turned off because I don't want to be bothered. You have shortcut cards, and this allows you to switch around what you immediately see when you swipe left or right on the watch. And then you have your app settings. There's a find your watch setting. Now, an interesting thing is the health monitoring tab because it allows you to switch around settings. So for my heart rate, I have it to measure it every 5 minutes. And of course, you can switch around all these settings to help you track your data, but also balance that between conserving your battery on your wearable. So you can also do sleep monitoring, heart rate monitoring, auto stress monitoring, and of course, your oxygen levels in your blood. You guys just saw how many activities the GTS 3 tracks, so I decided to put it to the exercise test. First up are some squats, and that counted as strength training on the watch. Now, there are many different settings that you can choose before starting your workout, and you can choose different activity goals. Now, what I especially loved about the strength training option is that there is a choice for interval rests. And when you resume your workout, it counts a different set. As someone who loses count of her exercises a lot, this is just something that I found to be pretty useful. Now, it does count reps as well, but I found that for activities like, for example, squats like I'm doing in the video, it isn't really the most accurate. Of course, exercises with more defined arm movements did better at the rep count, but this is normal. I've yet to try out a wearable that does reps 100% correct 100% of the time. I wanted to test out how accurate counting is on the jump rope, but I couldn't find my jump rope, so I did it without the rope. The watch did well with like 1 to 5 skips off each time, which I feel is normal performance for wearables. Again, though, I wasn't doing this with the rope, so take it with a grain of salt. Amazfit claims 12 days of battery life on this, and with all the notifications always on display and even health tracking things on, this thing lasted me around 5 days. Keep in mind that battery time on wearables usually vary depending on what is turned on in your watch, and I feel like 5 days is good time considering that it's a wearable that tracks a lot. And that was our look at the Amazfit GTS 3. This wearable definitely surprised me in many ways. I like how it looks. It's super comfy to wear and to leave on. There are so many features, and the exercise tracking definitely impressed me. I guess bottom line is the Amazfit GTS 3 does meet my expectation for fashion and function, and at a more affordable price point. If you're looking for something that you can leave on your wrist 24/7 that will look good and will do most of the things that a smartwatch does, the Amazfit GTS 3 is one to look at. All details I have on pricing and availability I'll leave in the description box below. If you want to see how I use my tech on a daily basis, find me online. That's isadoes_ on Instagram, Twitter, TikTok. Until next time!